checking and analyzing the memory unit of an object. The import sys statement imports the sys module. The next line assigns the value 10 to the variable a. This line prints the size of the object a in bytes. The sys.getsizeof function returns the size of an object in bytes. On my machine, the output is 28 bytes. The next example to check the size of string. The output is 55 bytes. Another example to check the size of list. The output is 120 bytes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.